mo rin ba magbasa ng guitar tabs? Stay tuned dahil tuturuan kita sa video na to. Good day, my name is Mix Ganson. I'm a musician, author, and writer, and today we'll talk about guitar tabs. For context, guitar tabs, or short for guitar tablature, are a form of musical notation. Basically, it is a written form of music na ginagamit ng mga gitarista. Pero unlike sa mga standard music notation na gumagamit ng notes and staff, the guitar tabs only use numbers and lines na nagko-correspond sa notes on the fretboard. The advantage of guitar tabs is that madali lang ito intindihin. But the disadvantage is that hindi mo maintindihan ng guitar tabs unless maririnig mo kung paano talaga siya tinutugtog. Now, paano nga ba tayo nakakapagbasa ng guitar tabs? Here's 3 things to keep in mind. But before we start, ang gagamitin kong sample tabs ay ang intro ng Magbalik by Kalalili. Number 1. The lines on the tabs corresponds to the strings on the guitar. Sa guitar tabs, merong 6 lines na tulad nito. And yung 6 lines na yon ay nagre-represent ng 6 strings ng gitara. Yung nasa pinakataas na line ay yung high E string. Then kasunod naman yung B string, then D string, and so on. Number 2. The numbers correspond to the fret number. In this example, merong number 5 na nakasulat sa pangalawang line. This means that kailangan daw natin pindutin yung 5th fret on the B string. Another example is yung 7 na kasunod, which just means na pipindutin natin yung 7th fret ng high E string. And the same applies sa ibang numbers sa ibang lines. Number 3. These notations correspond to how you play that note. Kapag number lang ang nakalagay, it means ipa-pluck lang natin yung note na yon. Pero minsan, merong other notations na nakasulat sa tabs. And ito yung mga yon with their corresponding meaning. Medyo madami to, pero I'll discuss them all separately sa mga future videos. Basically, kapag sinunod natin yung tabs na nandito, ito yung madidinig natin. Reading guitar tabs is one of the easiest ways to read music. It is super helpful sa mga beginners na gusto matuto ng songs na gusto nilang tugtugin. Just remember na hindi naman dapat ganun ka-complicated magbasa ng music. Ang tip ko lang sa'yo, huwag mong i-overthink. If you want more guitar tips and techniques, don't forget to follow me and like this video.